Hello, this is Jihang, and I'm gonna talk about my P6, which is a operator overloading, right? So I have three files. So huge integer.cpp and huge integer.h and min.cpp, right? So first one going to my huge.h. So let me see the class one. Yeah, see what I have in the class. So the private, we have a short the pointer number. So we're gonna create a number which is the short type, right? And the integer size, the size, which is integer type. And the computer size, we use a void, which is no return type, right? And under the public, we have the default constructor, the huge integer long equal to 0, this default constructor, and the parameter constructor, and this parameter constructor, and the const, and the char, and pointer, that's the constructor. And this one's the new one, right? The huge integer and the parameter const, the huge integer, and we still see that the reference, that is the copy constructor. Copy constructor. Copy constructor. So we're gonna talk about that one later. And the distractor used to delete. And there's some operator functions. So the first one is equal to, that one's the equal, right? So the let me see. Okay, let's see the const and the reference, right? So the reference gonna call the value, and the const, which means the value will not be changed within the function call, right? Yeah, that's a little bit different with some like plus, minus, times, and divide, right? That's all the same, and the plus and the minus and the times and the divide and the most. And there's an interesting thing in the plus plus and the plus plus integer, and there's one called boolean, right? So the boolean, the operator less than and equal to inside of the parameter, the value, right? So we use a boolean function. That means the equal, and the not equal, and greater than equal, and less than equal. There are all use boolean type, right? Use boolean type. And let me see, what is this? Oh, in the short, there's one more thing need to say. So in the code, we have a right and the left, right? So this means we have like a two array, and the left array and the right array. And for example, like a equal to b, so the value of a is not changed, so we're gonna change the b value in the right value, right? And yes, and the const, and operator long double, yeah, because we use a long double. And we use the friend type, use the O stream and I stream. That means the friend can directly access in the private member function. Yeah, that's my huge integer.h, and it's the huge integer.cpp, right? Huge integer.cpp. Let's see the first one. That's the constructor. Let me see the constructor. Yeah, the constructor, the long constructor, the number equal to new short, declare the size equal to 30, and the for loop, and it's gonna calculate the size of calculate the value of I, right? And the computer size. That's the constructor. And the second one is the size. Oh, I think I missed something inside of here. Yeah, that's the size. The constructor size. No, that's not the size. Oh, here. The size is right here. The size is equal to 0. Give initial value, and start from the right to left, because, as I said, on the right array, a equal to b, right? So the right array is not gonna be changed. They change to the left one. So, for example, like a equal to b, right? Wait. Give me a second. Let me find the pen. Yeah, like a equal to b, for example. So means the operator. So the operator equal to parameter b. That's the idea about a equal to b and the operator. Alright. And use a for loop, and if the size equal to 0 and the size equal to 1, right? And the next one, the number new short in the length, and I use the for loop inside of the here and the computer size. That's the char pointer, and that's the copy constructor. And the destructor delete the constructor, destructor, and the call the destructor delete the array of the number, right? And that's the equal one, and this one's the addition, and the next one is the minus, and the times, and let me delete this one. Yes, that's all the operators. See the min.cpp. I use the display the test case, right? So it's gonna be print out and the integer, the count equal to 0, and display ++. And there's some n1, n2, n3, n4, n5 until, yeah. So after test 5, I believe, there's all operators like addition and divide and whatever. Yes, that's my program. See, use the make. Yes.